Welcome to your dream home, brought to you by American Dream Realty, where dream homes come true. Well-maintained ranch-style home, 4 bedrooms with split floor plan with a welcoming rocking chair front porch. Vaulted ceilings in great room with fireplace, new flooring throughout, perfect for low maintenance. Formal dining room with tray ceilings, chair rail molding. Kitchen has new granite countertops. Master bedroom on main floor with garden tube, double vanity with separate shower. Large rear yard. Great location to all amenities such as shopping, church and schools. A must-see.